One tall giraffe munches leaves so high, stretching its neck to the bright blue sky. One little mole digs down below, making a tunnel nice and slow. Two hopping frogs in the morning dew, leaping fast, one then two. Two sleepy owls in a tree so wide, blink their eyes and try to hide. Three buzzing bees fly near a rose, dancing circles on their toes. Three quick foxes dart through trees, their red tails waving in the breeze. Four woolly sheep go ba ba ba, wandering fields both near and far. Four tiny mice in a farmer's bin, nibbling corn with a cheeky grin. Five funny ducks go splish and splash, waddling by in a quacky dash. Five little crabs on sandy ground, scuttle and click without a sound. Six stripy tigers roll on grass, playing tag as hours pass. Six green turtles in a line, march along in a slow design. Seven bright parrots sing out loud, colorful wings make them proud. Seven brown bears by a lake, dip their paws and fish and shake. Eight bouncy kangaroos hop and spin, pouches jiggling as they grin. Eight quiet deer in the morning light, step through shadows soft and light. Nine silly monkeys swing on vines, telling jokes and climbing pines. Nine spotted dogs with wagging tails chase each other on grassy trails. 10 sleepy cats nap in a row, curled up cozy, whiskers low. 10 buzzing fireflies blink in air, lighting up the night with flare.